Charles Schwab's brokerage account is a standout for anyone looking to invest with flexibility and reliable support. With zero commissions for trading US-listed stocks, ETFs, and options online, plus no account minimums or maintenance fees, this account is accessible to everyone, whether just starting out or trading actively. Schwab integrates a wide variety of investment choices, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, and even offers stock slices, which let you own fractional shares of S&P 500 companies starting at just $5. Their platforms cater to all skill levels, from the easy-to-use Schwab website and mobile app to the robust thinkorswim platform for advanced traders. What makes Schwab even more appealing is the depth of research tools and educational resources available, helping users make informed decisions and plan for the future. Customer service is clearly a priority with 24/7 support by phone, live chat, or email, and more than 300 local branches for personal help. Schwab's reputation for security and trust is another plus, given their long-standing presence and strict regulation in the industry. On the downside, Schwab only allows fractional shares for S&P 500 stocks, unlike some rivals with more options, and there is no direct cryptocurrency trading, which may turn off those wanting easy access to digital assets. Margin rates are not the lowest, and trading over-the-counter stocks carries a noticeable fee. The mobile app, while functional, has a mixed reputation for reliability, and the thinkorswim platform can be overwhelming for newcomers. Fees for certain mutual funds and a $50 outbound transfer fee should also be considered. Overall, Charles Schwab offers an attractive package for most investors with commission-free trading, a wide range of investments, strong research tools, and dependable support. Just be aware of the limited crypto access, select fees, and the scope of fractional shares before opening an account.